So we're in Fresno, California. We just finished installing a Bradford White 50-gallon natural gas water heater. And you can see there's your model and serial number right there. Up at the top, we left the existing valve in place. The homeowner wasn't interested in replacing it, and so we left it in place and shut it down. It was a multi-turn valve, a gate valve. And of course, when we turned it back on, it began leaking. Couldn't get it shut off, so we took the old valve off, gave you a new quarter turn. So quarter turn off, quarter turn on. And so that's good, that's new. Solid brass, you got copper plumbing in the home, which is great. So solid brass and then a brass pipe nipple here to a Falcon stainless steel connector. This is a full 3/4 inch inside diameter. It's the largest in the industry, ultra flexible. So that goes over to the cold side of the tank. Brass extension right there. Hot side already had an adapter on here, so that was already soldered on there. So we just connected this, gave you a new hot line to a brass extension. Draft diverter comes with the unit. Gave you a new adjustable 90 here and a new piece of pipe up to your existing 90 and sealing bucket right there. So that's good. Down here, relief valve comes with the unit as well. It's 150 psi, and this is if you have a temperature and or pressure, excessive temperature and or pressure, this will pop off right here. So it's just spring loaded right here, and it'll discharge down this line. We got a little creative because for some reason the relief line is way down here, and so it's a little brass nipple and 90 coming up. And then a long galvanized nipple over to Falcon stainless steel connector. And this is, like I say, full 3/4 inch inside diameter. It's a drain only, and that's in the event something happens to that relief valve or something's going on with the water heater. Adjustable strap upper third, adjustable strap lower third. Those are your straps. We just reused those. We did replace the gas valve. It's older. We don't like them. They tend to give up, and then you got a service call, $200 to come and change a gas valve. So we just gave you a new valve, new gas connector, and of course that's the controller. It's lit right now. You can see it's on hot, which is approximately 120 degrees, and so we recommend leaving it there. You know, 110, 115 is great. You know, so but 120 is the EPA, Environmental Protection Agency, recommends 120. CDC, of course, recommends 140, which is over here at B, but you do run the risk of scalding, as it says right here. So feel free to do whatever you'd like to do in here, but we recommend here or less. Don't turn it up. Totally up to you. Gave you a brand new pan. The one that was in there was full of water and corroded. Your other water heater, the whole bottom side here, was corroded, so it had been leaking for a while. And so brand new pan, 26-inch pan, aluminum pan. And then we just reused what was in here. We didn't install this 90 and that adapter. We just left it in place. We gave you a new gasket here and a new gasket on the inside and a new nut. And so you're in good shape. This was installed by a different plumbing company and ran to the exterior of the building. It's not quite out of the stucco, which is kind of weird, but not our job. It's just we wanted to get it tied back in, so you had your pan in here. Should be a couple hours before you have hot water. Outside of that, this installation is done.